Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking gym fitness Instagram post for your gym business. If you want to create your own images, templates, or Instagram posts, you can do so in Canva. So the best part of Canva is that you can modify templates already created by professionals. You can simply tweak and customize the template to make it your own. Just create an account in Canva and then go to the search bar and type Gym Instagram Post. Just press Enter, and now you can see the available templates. Click See All to explore all the options. You can explore them and preview each one. After that, choose whichever template meets your expectations. For now, I'll go with this one. Okay, I'll go with this one. This one looks good. This one is Pro, but you can choose from the free versions. There are many free versions, so just customize whichever template you like. And now you can see that I have full access to modify or customize anything I want. To customize the text, I'll click on it, like this. Then double-click on it, and remove and add my own line. For more customization features for your text, just click on it to see the available options and tools. You can try them out. It's really simple. You will understand them easily. That's how you can customize your text. Now, if you want to change the color, just click on it to see the color options. Click on the color option like this. If you want to change the image in this template or replace it with your own, go to Uploads. Upload an image from your computer, and it will appear here. For now, I'll use an example from Pinterest. I'll go there and maybe just select it and copy it, then paste it here. You can see that my image is here. I'll just drag and drop it here. And I'll do the following. I'll remove it and edit manually like this. I'll adjust the shape and size. I'll make it bigger, and then I'll change its color to black. You can adjust anything you like. I'll do the same with this text and experiment with the available features. These are the basic features you need to understand. So, in this way, you can customize the design and add your own details, logos, information, branding, colors, images, and anything else you want. You can modify it however you like. Once you're done with the modifications or customization, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it, and your gym Instagram post is ready to be uploaded to Instagram.